That is the coolest shit I've seen in a long time. Holy fuck. If you who don't know what this is a hot spring vent where people are literally pumping the hot water and steam out to make stuff. That's incredibly cool. It's really fucking hot in here too. That's really cool though. All right, everyone, I'm not gonna do a voiceover that much because I'm really tired. I've just made it to Otsuboro Falls in Beppu. Now, this waterfall is really cool, but it is probably the hardest thing in my life I've ever had to try and find in the wilderness. As in, I just trekked through half a mountain and for about an hour of being lost in a mountain to get here. Just to find this waterfall where there's no one here. There's no existence of almost any presence of anything here. It kind of reminds me of a place out of Ferngully, actually, in a very old movie for the rainforest. I mean, it's magnificent. The cool breeze coming off this thing is amazing. It's relaxing. There's a stone right there that's a monument marker. So there was probably at one point someone famous here, or it's a national treasure landmark. As you can see, the side of the mountains kind of cave in a little bit slowly. So I'm not going to go any closer. But as you can just tell, it's just amazing. The stream runs that way quite a bit. I don't know how much I'm going to get because there's not an easy path. Whoever designed the path made it so difficult, no one I think ever comes here. I'm probably the first visitor and I couldn't tell you how long. So, but it's just amazing. You can see the running water down here. I mean, it's just a magnificent thing. It's just cool. I don't know how long this thing's been here, but it's just going. So, but pretty amazing. I do admit that. So, just the breeze alone coming off this waterfall is magnificent. So, I don't know how much more I'm gonna get done today because I'm so hot and so tired from climbing a mountain twice that I have to climb a mountain back. Like, that's the path I have to take back. And I think there's a bear cave for a small bear animal along the path. So if I don't record or don't show any more videos, it's because I got attacked by a bear. All right, that's pretty fun. But yeah, this is Otsuboro Falls in Beppu. If you have 2 hours of your life and you want to just look at a waterfall for like 10 minutes, that's kind of what this is. But it's kind of a nice natural beauty of Japan, and especially here in Beppu, which is known for its hot springs, which there's heated geysers everywhere. This is nice, cool, refreshing breeze water, and I love it. So you can see all the bugs flying around. It's just amazing. It's like its own little ecosystem locked away. So, but yeah, it's pretty amazing. If my camera's shaky, I am sorry. I'm trying not to fall off this steep ass hill down into the ravine. I don't feel like dying today. Yeah, I'm not gonna get any closer, sorry. It ain't worth, what the fuck is that? It's like a lizard. As you can see, there's some pretty dangerous things that have happened here. This place is very old. There was something built here, I'm pretty sure, because of the rocks on this waterfall side, but I don't know. As you can tell, it's a pretty big drop. You can't really tell depth perception wise, but that's pretty close to about a 5 or 15 foot drop to my death. It's 5 to this, 15 to that. And I'm not getting up after it. So, over here's a bear cave, I think. It's some kind of cave. So, it's obviously been dug out. There's the dig out. Because it's dug out, I am not stupid enough to approach it. So, if it is a bear or some big animal that lives in this mountain, it can stay in that hole. Because I'm not going to play around in it. So, very dangerous. And all you can hear is the waterfall. You can hear the waterfall. And I've gotten lost in here very badly. There's very bad directions as long as very bad paths in here. So, it's very dangerous. I recommend only to the bravest of explorers to come here. So, because frankly, it's dangerous, and I've almost fallen twice, if not 3 times, coming through here. So if you're wearing combat boots, go right ahead, come on in. But other than that, it's pretty fucking dangerous here. So, and as you can see, there's spider webs everywhere. So, if you like spiders, come on over. We got them here. So, but yeah, it's gonna be a little shaky. I'm sorry. I'm trying my best to not die as I record. And I literally mean die, because if I fall anywhere in here, I'm about an hour from a hospital, besides someone trying to get me out of the forest in here. So this path right here is just covered in fucking pine needles, and it makes it slipperier than dog shit. So I'm gonna try my best to not shake and not fall. We'll see. And if you can't tell, these pine trees are massive, and they only grew branches facing towards the water, not inwards, just towards the water except the top. It's pretty amazing. And these things are huge. I mean, look at this. This thing's probably fucking 3 foot across. Probably fucking, I don't even know. That's a big tree. These are all big trees in here. Holy shit. I didn't even look at these pine trees the first time. I was trying to figure out how to get to the falls. So this is kind of like a, not just a cool nature walk path, but kind of a good representation of Japan when it comes to what it's like here for like trees and stuff. They have pine trees here and they use it for a lot of stuff, but at the same time, these ones here will probably grow until they die out here. So, and they're pretty fucking big. Some of these trees I'm sure are fucking probably 500-600 years old. I think this one right here is probably 5 or 6 because it's got 2 things coming off. So, just massive, massive, massive trees. And now we're going down. Going up this was a lot harder than going down. Okay. I just saw the first person all day on this path, even remotely in this area. So, this I don't think was here when I came through, so that's kind of odd. So, this part of the path is a little bit more well maintained. I don't know how they managed to get concrete this far from the road. Now the road, so you're aware, is about 10 minutes by walking. So imagine carrying concrete, probably by wheelbarrows or buckets, through here to do this kind of work. To build this simple, easy path to get out of here. To come and go. So it's very, very dangerous. I don't really like it. This part is the most dangerous part, so I am going to try my hardest to show you without dying, because this is the most dangerous. So as you can tell, here there's a leak in the mountain, or there's water coming out. So it's coming down here into this area and making a muddish slurry that just sucks up everything. I mean, you can just see the water. Just tons, and I mean, little droplets, but it's enough water that it's washed out half this path. And I mean, look at this. Just extremely dangerous. I'm gonna try not to die. There's not a really clear path to go through here. So, this is the path to get to Otsuboro Waterfalls. As you can tell, it is treacherous as all fucking hell. I mean, shit, man. I haven't even made it down to the flat surface yet, and I feel like I'm gonna fall on my ass. Ugh. So, going up this was a little easier because you're not fighting the rock force going down, you're just fighting in general. So, and that is pretty much all there is to Otsuboro Falls. Very cool. As you can see, there's the highway bridge. This is how I found it. It's because I went to Fukuoka for a trip and took the bus, and it goes right near the falls, so you see the falls over there. So, pretty amazing. So, but pretty intrinsic job. I enjoyed. So, I enjoyed this one. Hopefully I can see more things like this. So, all right. This is the only good part of the whole path. And this is kind of where you come in at, which is kind of sad. It's really, really rocky. Path down, but no thank you. Rather not die.